again, and for today's video I'm here at the East Coast Precinct in Fortress Hill, and today is the third day of the Lunar New Year here in Hong Kong, and I'm going to show you guys those different decoration of the Chinese New Year. And ito guys, the first one that I'm going to show you is the Times Square in Causeway Bay, and then this is the other one is in East Coast Precinct here in Fortress Hill. So let's go guys. Oh, hi guys, so this is the decoration here at the Times Square. Ayan, ano lang siya guys, is lantern lang. Ito lang, simple lang yung decor nila this year. Ayan, sa taas may lantern, and then dito sa side may mga Mickey Mouse yung theme nila guys for this year. Ayan, ewan ko bakit Mickey Mouse yung nilagay nila ngayon, tsaka si Donald Duck. And then in the other side we have this wood. We hang a lantern. May mga lantern dyan sa baba guys. O yan. Ayan. And then sa taas din, mayroon nakasign na ganyan. Siguro is a lucky sign. Kasi design in the Chinese. Maganda to paggabi guys. Kasi makikita mo yung ilaw. And then the other side again. Same. Ganun din sa other side niya guys. And then ang lamig today. Ayan. And then they have this Mickey Mouse. Ayan. And dito sa side niya guys, as usual, may mga flowers, different type of flowers na tinanim nila dito. Ang ganda guys. O diba, it's so colorful. The yellow one. Ayan. Ayan guys, si Donald Duck naman dito sa harap. Yung isa si Mickey Mouse. Ayan. So yun guys, tapos na ako nag-video doon sa my Times Square. And ito naman yung decoration dito, Chinese decor dito sa my High Sun Place guys. Ayan, ang cute. Ang cute ng ano nila guys, pasukin ko. Oh, ganito, may nakakang na ganyan oh. Oh, diba? Ganyan. And then ayan, ang ganda. Oh, ganito siya guys. Oh, Lee Garden. Ayan. Oh, ang ganda diba guys? Ayan. Ganito siya guys. Oh. Ayan. Ayan. Oh. And then dito sa area na to, ganito guys, yung dito oh. Oh, ganito yung loob niya oh. Pwede kang mag-picture ata sa loob. Ayun, dito sa loob, ganito guys. Ayan, ang ganda guys. O, yun. And then ito siya, oh, may ilaw siya dito guys. Oh, diba ang ganda? Oh, yan. Ganyan siya guys. Oh, diba ang ganda? Ang cute. Ay! So, yan guys, ganyan yung look niya dito. Yan. Yung decoration dito sa my High Sun Place or Lee Garden. Yan. O, diba? And then sa loob, ayun. Pwede kang mag-picture. O, diba? Ang cute. Ang colorful. Ayan.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah.
A few moments later.
So, ayan na nga guys, nandito na ako sa may Fortress Hill, and pupunta ako sa may East Coast Precinct, yung breakwater doon, yung Little Dubai na sinasabi nila. So, ayan guys, nagabala ko kayo sa different places here in Hong Kong na may Chinese decoration guys. So, yun, samahan niyo po. So, ayun, as usual, ito yung way going there, guys. Madadaanan mo pa rin yung parking shop. As I vlogged before, ayan. May decoration kasi sila ng Chinese New Year. So, ayun, pupunta ko dun, guys. So, ito yung view niya dito ngayon, guys. Ang ganda ng panahon. Sumabay yung panahon ngayon, guys. Kaya naisipan kong pumunta dito. And, ayun, ipakita ko sa inyo. Ganito lang yung, ano nila, yung Chinese decoration nila, which is they put some lantern. Ayan, guys. May mga lantern sa mga, ano, pwede kang mag-stay dito, guys. You can eat, you can bring your food, and then you can eat also here. And then ang ganda ng floor, guys. And then in the middle, they have these flowers. Usually, if Chinese New Year, they always put some flowers, guys. Colorful flowers to cheerful. So, ayan. Ang ganda dito sa middle nito, guys. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. So, ang ganda. And ayun, they have this dragon, guys, that you can carry to take some picture. Like this woman, she carried the head of the dragon to take some photo. Ayan. And here, ito, guys, Chinese New Year photo shooting fan event. Ayan. We have this head of the dragon. Ayan, that you can carry to take some picture. Ayan. Lion dance pala. Ito sa lion dance pala. Lion dance. Ayan. And then this one, we have a rabbit here. In the middle, we have 3 rabbit. Ayan. Oh, so cute. Ayan, may rabbit. And then ito yung scenery dito, guys, ngayon. Ayan. Ang lakas lang ng hangin, guys. Pero as in, ang ganda talaga ng weather. Ayun. And then dito sa gitna, guys, mayroong cherry blossom na plastic. And then may ganito silang a heart, guys. And then this heart is made of bamboo. See? This one, guys, is made of bamboo. And then, so they are so creative, guys, diba? O, ganito yung design niya, guys. O, it's a heart. Ayan, so, ayan, it's a heart, guys. And then they have this rabbit also here, guys. Oh, diba? Ang cute. Puting-puti. Puting-puti siya, guys. So, yun, guys. Oh, ito yung likuran ko is mga bulaklak. And then, alis na ako dito sa may harbor. Dito sa may East Coast Crescent, guys. And pupunta naman ako sa may North Pole. Next station lang siya, guys, from Fortress Hill. So, punta muna ako doon. So, ganito yung view dito, guys. O, diba? Ang daming mga tao na tatambay kasi nga ang ganda ng weather ngayon. O, diba? Tignan nyo naman. Pwede kang tumambay doon sa may mga floor na grass. Ayun, daming, guys. Sumabay kasi yung panahon, kahit malamig tsaka mahangin, mainit naman, guys. So, ayun, guys, nandito ako sa may Harbor Mall. Ayan, dito sa North Point, Harbor North. So, titignan natin kung ano yung Chinese decoration nila for this year. So, I go inside, guys, if they have a decoration. Harbor North. So, ayan. Guys, so is a bicycle na may ganitong puno sa gitna. Ito lang, guys, yung decoration nila dito sa loob. Ayan. But I take a look outside if they have decoration. Ito lang, guys, yun. Walang budget ata ang Harbor North. Ito lang yung decor nila. Ay, ito pa, guys, is ano siya, nakalagay sa car. Wow. Guys, it's a flower. Ayan, guys, it's a flowers, plastic flowers, and then there's a rabbit in the top. Ayan, ito lang yung decoration nila dito, guys. Hindi masyadong madami. Ayan. This one is a Puchia garden. Ayan. And ganito, guys, yung decoration nila dito. Ayan. And doon sa loob, may mga nakasabit na balls, which is they have a Christmas, and they have a lights inside. Those balls, they have a lights inside, guys. Ayan. Ayan, may light siya, guys. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Oh, hanggang doon, guys. ayan guys, ganito yung decoration dito guys. Oh, ayan, likuran ko. O, di ba ang ganda? Ayan guys. Ayan. Tilhi. Then, dito guys. Di ba ang ganda? Oh, ganda. It's so colorful. Ayan guys. It's so colorful siya. Daming mga tao na nagpipicture guys. This is in the Harbor North guys. Ayan. This is their decoration. So, ayan. Ayan guys.
유난히도 캄캄한다면 나 홀로 너를 생각하네 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 yeah, yeah, yeah. 네가 좋아하던 와인과 선물을 준비했겠지 기뻐할 너를 상상하며 근데 왜 이런 생각을 하면서 너를 추억만 하게 된 건지 yeah. 어쩌다 너와 나 왜 이렇게 끝난 건지 너를 기억하면 난 가슴이 아파와 어쩌다 너와 나 이렇게 잊혀진다면 다시
So ito guys, ayan, ang ganda. Yung decoration na dito is Cochia Garden. But this one guys is made of plastic. Ayan, so cute na dog. Ayan, tingnan nyo yung aso. It's a Japanese dog. Magtitik siya ng picture. O, diba? Ang kabait. Ayan. And then, ayan guys. Oh, yeah. They have green, pink. It's so colorful guys. See? Oh, diba ang ganda? Ayan. Ayan. So, ayan guys. That is the end of my video. And thank you for watching. Hope to see you again on my next vlog. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye-bye guys. Ayan. Happy Lunar New Year. Ayan. Kong Hipa Choy. Bye.